Okay, so I got this screen door thing and I have a door. So we're gonna cover this door with a screen door and try to keep some bugs out. And let's see how this goes. Okay, now you can see there's a screen door over our door. How cool is that? And then if we wanna go through it, it's got this little magnet right here. You can see it magnets open. I didn't attach the bottom right now, but you can see it magnets open so you can just go right through. And then when you're done, it just got these little magnets and it just cinches itself back up. Well, if I had mounted it better, it would cinch up. But you see there we go. So now it's back together. So how cool is that? Very cool to have a screen door, so keep all the bugs out, and you're golden. So this is really a nice screen door, and it goes up. I just have it pinned up right now until I Velcro it, but I wanted to show you guys all how it's gonna go. And it is super cool, and I'm going back outside now, and it kind of closes up by itself once we get out, and it'll close itself. Oh, I don't have it. There we go. And awesome. Thumbs up.